Hey guys, welcome back to the Business Insurance 2020 U.S. Insurance Awards. Marina Franklin here. Remember me? You liked me so much, and now I'm back here with you, but in my kitchen. But we are thrilled to have you tuning in for the first ever virtual U.S. Insurance Awards event. Yes, it's a very different time, but we're going to make the best of it. I've made the best of it. Look at me. I'm in my kitchen. And I'm sure a lot of you have better kitchens than mine. I'm sure of that. This has been my existence. They said they wanted to shoot different parts of my apartment. There aren't different parts. This is it. So if you're watching this award show and you would like to date me and you have a better place with more parts, I am available. That has not changed. The last time I was with you all, I talked about being single and how long it's been, and that is still true. I'm still single. The couple upstairs is having a great time. That I do know. But I hope you're all doing well, and I'm really excited to host this for you today or tonight, however you see it. I mean, I don't know about you, but I don't even know what day it is. Right? So it's good to be here with you all. I hope you're doing well during this time. I hope you're wearing your masks. That's very important. I wear a mask all the time. A guy told me he couldn't hear me through my mask. It wasn't the mask. It was because he doesn't hear women. So I'm learning. It's also been a while for me with dating because I'm doing something different than I've ever done before. I'm getting to know men. And there's really no more to that joke. I think I did it last year, but this way is much better. I edited it for you and it just makes more sense. I mean, we don't really have to go any further than that sentence. I'm getting to know men. Mm-hmm. It's also because, you know, this is a fun, friendly show, and I'm going to try to be as friendly and fun as you want it to be. I may even cook. What do you want? But to begin the program, I'd like to introduce the founder and the president of Beacon International Group, publishers of business insurance, Asia Insurance, Middle East Insurance, and other insurance publications. His name, Mr. Steve Acunto.
Thank you, Marina, and welcome to the third annual U.S. Insurance Awards. Somewhat quieter this year in our virtual environment, but no less auspicious. Welcome to a world of achievement and achievers, whose example calls forth a response from us that rings out beyond the screen and the media. Business insurance plays a vital role in the formula for professional excellence in the management, transfer, and financing of risk. It is fitting that we salute the best in the business each year and that we reflect excellence in our pages. That is a mission that we embrace, and that same mission is embraced by our sponsors, our advertisers, our patrons, and our friends. Congratulations to the winners, the nominees, and to our judges whose objectivity and devotion to high standards gives this award special distinction. And a heartfelt thank you to all of you who are participating. You are the business insurance community, and we are just delighted to have today's and tomorrow's leaders participating. Thank you all very, very much, and I hope you'll enjoy the event.
Hello, I'm Gavin Souter. I'm the editor of Business Insurance. First of all, I'd like to thank everyone, the finalists, the judges, and the winners, for their patience during the challenging times that we're all experiencing in 2020. This is the third year that we've run the US Insurance Awards, and it's been a year unlike any other. So thank you for persevering with us. One of the core purposes of the awards program is to celebrate the achievements of teams of people working at different types of companies within the commercial insurance sector, while at the same time supporting young people looking to start a career in insurance and risk management. And as you will see when you hear about the winning entries, there's a lot to celebrate, and there's a lot of options for newcomers to take advantage of within the industry. The whole process began late last year when we issued a call for nominations for the 2020 awards, and we received about 170 submissions across 14 different categories. Business Insurance editorial staff reviewed the nominations and selected 5 finalists in each category, which were then sent for evaluation to more than 50 risk manager judges. I'd really like to take this opportunity to thank all the judges for the work they put in. It's their contribution as independent experts that give the US Insurance Awards their cachet. The judges scored all the finalists independently, which is how we arrived at the list of winners. So without further ado, let's hear about the winners. Please welcome our first presenter, Danny Holtzclaw from the Wildlife Conservation Society.
This first award for the 2020 U.S. Insurance Awards recognizes a community outreach project by any organization operating in commercial insurance and risk management. The first of 2 community outreach awards, this award focuses on donations and fundraising efforts which have a long history in the insurance sector. The finalists for Community Outreach Project of the Year for donations are H.W. Kaufman Financial Group Incorporated, Higginbottom, KCIC LLC, NFP Corporation, and Risk Placement Services Incorporated, a unit of Gallagher. And the winner is...
I want to thank Business Insurance for the award of Community Outreach Project of the Year. But more importantly, I want to thank our employees here at Higginbotham in the Higginbotham Community Fund. In 2011, I had a vision that to be in line with our mission, vision, and value statement, which all end in being generous to our communities, to begin the Higginbotham Community Fund. I'm proud to announce today that we have, out of our over 40 offices, between both pledges and cash gifts by our employees, the fund is north of $3 million. I'm very excited to say that we've given over 1,000 gifts to many nonprofits and first responders, particularly as it relates to the recent COVID-19 issue that has impacted our country. A couple of years ago, we lost one of our wonderful employees who'd been a great partner of mine since 1991, Tracy Jackson. And we went to both the Higginbotham Community Fund and at one of our producer award meetings, went to all the producers in our firm with an eye towards giving a gift to the charity of her family's choosing in her honor. And it was an extraordinary, exciting moment when we looked up and raised over $110,000 on behalf of Tracy. Those gifts went to support the T. Boone Pickens clinic in Dallas, of which gave her great care, and many other nonprofits that were very important to her and her family. Last year, I was approached by one of my partners with a great idea. And the idea was to support a cause in Africa called the Zoe Project. The Zoe Project helped basically take orphans and teach them skills to be able to make money, to keep them from some of the horrific things that happen to them otherwise. And in a matter of minutes, we were able to raise over $200,000 to support the Zoe Project and send 16 employees of our firm to go see firsthand the great work that they were doing in Africa. This year, like many of you, we were impacted by COVID-19. And as we began to think about that, we decided it's time for Higginbotham to support, hence Higginbotham Helps. And in our partnership with the Higginbotham Community Fund, we allocated monies to go to local restaurants that spread across our footprint, and more importantly, to deliver meals to first responders and to nonprofits that were in such need. I'm proud to announce today that we've delivered over 20,000 meals thanks to our employees in the Higginbotham Community Fund. Again, Higginbotham Helps. You know, at Higginbotham, again, our mission, our vision, and our value statement all end in being generous to the communities that we serve. I'm just very proud and excited for our employees the Higginbotham Community Fund, and I personally want to thank all those at Business Insurance for giving us this wonderful award. These type of awards help validate that we're actually living our mission. Thank you.
This second award for community outreach projects recognizes efforts by organizations that involve pro bono or volunteer work. Numerous people in the insurance industry offer their time or expertise to help nonprofits and other organizations in their communities. And our finalists tonight show some wide range of activities the insurance industry is involved in. The finalists for Community Outreach Project of the Year for pro bono and volunteer work are AIG, Crawford & Company, Everest Insurance, Highland Group, and SCORE SE. And the winner is...
My name is Bonnie Sauty. I am the Chief People Officer of Crawford & Company. I am extremely honored to be accepting this award on behalf of Crawford & Company today. Our mission to restore and enhance lives, businesses, and communities is not just a statement to us. It is a call to action and the reason behind everything that we do. Our Global Day of Service program was developed in 2008 as a way for Crawford employees and their families to give back to the communities in which we live and work. And we've been able to make a positive difference year over year by partnering with organizations that are designed to help others. I've been amazed by the tremendous efforts that our employees put into these projects year after year. Crawford employees are passionate about serving our communities. I was on a based team this past year when we assembled career kits and we remulched an outdoor learning center as well as reworking an outdoor garden, all during the middle of Tropical Storm Nestor. We were all there together for hours covered in mud, but it was a ton of fun because we were working together. Many of our employees actually went back the following week to finish the project because there were tasks that could not be completed in the rain. I'm accepting this award for all of them, all of our volunteers who completed 50 service awards, spending over 2,000 hours working tirelessly for organizations like the United Way of Atlanta, 5-Star Veteran Center, the Tennyson Center for Children in Clearbrook Today. Thank you, Business Insurance, for recognizing them for their dedication and their generosity of their time. We look forward to continuing to fulfill our mission all over the world. Thank you again.
Hey guys, welcome back to me, Marina Franklin. Remember, I'm your host and I'm in my kitchen. So are you. Don't try to act like you're better than me. I know how you're watching this. I know what you're wearing. Nothing. By the way, from the waist down, it's fantastic. But no, welcome back to me. And it's just such a I can't get my words right. You know why? Because I haven't been in front of people. You have to be in front of people to talk right, really. But I want to say that the last awards was really important, wasn't it? It's about community. It's something that we're all afraid of right now. I had to think about that one and it was like, ugh. But no, you're doing a good job. Thank you, Rusty and Bonnie. Congratulations to you. I want to take us to our next awards. Let's see here. I don't have to put on my reading glasses. You know why? Because I have it zoomed out at 200. So please welcome our next presenter, Lisa Drillage from New York Community Bank.
The insurance and risk management sector often looks to consultants to gain outside perspective and expertise on difficult problems. This award recognizes a team of consultants, including specialty consulting firms and general management consulting firms that operate in the field. The finalists for Insurance Consulting Team of the Year are Aon, Charles Taylor, FTI Consulting, KCIC LLC, and Tryon, a Marsh & McLennan company. And the winner is...
Wow, thank you, Business Insurance. We are so excited to get our first win after 3 finalist nominations. But most importantly, I'd like to thank my team for their relentless pursuit of excellence and their drive to innovate so we can do our jobs better together. There's too many of you to name each and every one of you, but it has been a privilege to lead you. In particular, I would like to call out Victor Taylor and Catherine Ashemi, my right-hand man and woman, and Jasmine Gelbart, Luca Farina, Andrew Veglianti, Shreyas Malhotra, and Julia Grayhan for all of your dedication and perseverance.
Working on this project has given me the chance to develop our tools and our team. Long-term projects give rare opportunities to reevaluate your processes and find new efficiencies using cutting-edge technology. We reworked many facets of our project and even found a way to take the whole thing online, which is good timing. However, nothing beats seeing the younger consultants develop into consultants fully capable of leading their own teams and becoming experts in their own right.
One of the things I really loved about this project was how collaborative it was. We were faced with a massive number of policies to analyze, 10 times larger than our average review, with the goal being to capture relevant policy information to be used in coverage litigation. The entire team did an incredible job working together and supporting each other. In a review of this magnitude, you learn so much from your colleagues as you progress through the review. I could not be more proud of the team. Throughout the duration of this project, we had over 40 team members partnering together to achieve our goal. I just want to take a moment to say thank you to everyone for helping to make this such a great success.
Cheers to the Business Insurance U.S. Insurance Award winners.
Cheers.
Cheers. So I want to say cheers too to you as well. Obviously, it's in the afternoon here. So, you know, somebody's got a problem. And it's not me. But I want to congratulate you, KCIC LLC. Congratulations on consulting with each other. I don't know what that means, but I know that in the time that we're in, whatever that means, as divided as we are, consulting is huge. So congratulations to you, KCIC. All right, please welcome our next presenter, Lori Seidenberg from BlackRock.
Brokers are key partners to commercial policyholders, offering advice and expertise on how to handle ever-evolving risks. This award recognizes a team of brokers within a mid-size or specialty brokerage organization serving the commercial insurance sector. The finalists for Broker Team of the Year, firms with less than $500 million in revenue, are Burnham Benefits, Gasper Insurance Services Incorporated, Genesee, the Liberty Companies, Oswald Companies. And the winner is...
Hi, on behalf of Oswald Companies, we want to thank Business Insurance, and we want to introduce our team for the Broker Team of the Year finalist team.
Hi, I'm Rachel Jevons, Senior Client Manager. Congrats to all the nominees. Keep up the good work. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Kathleen Kemmler, Senior Client Manager. Cheers to all the nominees.
I'm Betsy Harding, Associate Client Executive, and thank you for this opportunity, and good luck to all the other finalists as well.
I'm Karen Ormiston, Team Leader, Senior Client Manager. Thank you very much for the nomination, and congratulations to everybody.
Hi, this is Bill Brankowski, Executive Vice President here at Oswald, and we're proud to be a finalist for the award this year. And I'm proud of my team and my company that we work for, and we wish everybody the best as far as all the other finalists are concerned. Thank you.
Marina, we're back.
Oh, hi. Hi, everybody. I haven't experienced a commercial in so long. It was just strange, right? I mean, come on. Ever heard of Netflix? My God. All right. So, but I want to keep it going because we're having fun. And, you know, I know a lot of you out there, this is the most fun you've had since March. Trust me, I know. So I want you to get into this, right? By the way, I should take a moment to tell you that I'm still single. Yeah, that's true. I'm taking this opportunity during your award show to pretty much make myself available to anyone out there. Because as you can see from the kitchen behind me, I need help. All right, so let's keep this energy and good time going because believe it or not, it doesn't matter how much bandwidth you have, you could still have energy, right? Right? I hope this hasn't frozen on you. You know, I freeze in beautiful ways. And now, please welcome Stephen Acunto Jr. from Business Insurance.
Thank you all for joining us to celebrate all the great work represented here, highlighting this year's leaders and high-performing teams in the commercial insurance industry. I will take a moment to thank our sponsors who are visionary and understand the value of recognizing those individuals and teams, even in this virtual format. Crawford, thank you. AIG, Liberty Mutual Insurance Company, and Ryan Specialty Group, thank you as well. The circumspect and dedicated risk managers on our judging panel continue to show their passion for our industry, and we are grateful for them. Of course, I will take one moment to thank the BI events team for putting us together in this celebration. Business Insurance, through various channels, is working to address the talent crisis in the industry. Approximately 400,000 insurance jobs expect to be unfilled in the near future, in part due to a retiring workforce. The U.S. Insurance Awards were created to address the industry's talent crisis and directly contribute by funding the BI Scholarship. The BI Scholarship opens new opportunities to support risk management and insurance students, as well as provide grants to risk management and insurance programs, and to develop programming at universities without risk management degree programs, including HBCUs. This year, we are proud to partner with the Spencer Educational Foundation. And it gives me great pleasure to introduce you to Megan Miller, its executive director, to tell us more.
Thank you, Stephen. The Spencer Educational Foundation is so excited to be partnering with Business Insurance to administer their industry scholarships. For the past 41 years, Spencer has been supporting risk management and insurance students through our scholarship program. Since our founding, we have awarded over $8 million in scholarships to more than 1,300 students. Spencer also provides funding for internships, as well as grants to support universities and other institutions that provide educational and experiential learning opportunities. In 2020, despite the ongoing pandemic, Spencer donated more than $1.2 million to support our industry's talent pipeline. Our mission, to fund the education of tomorrow's risk management and insurance leaders, is just as important today as it was at our founding in 1979. To learn more, please visit our website at www.spencered.org.
The Spencer Educational Foundation, dedicated to funding the education of tomorrow's risk management and insurance leaders. Spencer awards scholarships to students who aspire to pursue a career in the risk management and insurance industry, provides on and off campus experiential learning opportunities through grants and through the Risk Manager on Campus program, funds the development of risk management and insurance curriculum, and facilitates internship opportunities. Today, Spencer has grown to offer 5 grant programs. Since our founding, we have awarded over $8 million in student scholarships and $5 million in grants to universities and professional institutions. Spencer offers merit-based scholarships to students who wish to pursue a career in risk management and insurance. Spencer awards scholarships to undergraduate, graduate, and pre-dissertation PhD students, in addition to doctoral candidates, as well as part-time master's scholarships for risk practitioners who attend graduate school part-time or online while working full-time. In 2019, almost $600,000 was awarded to 92 Spencer Scholars, and since 1980, the foundation has awarded $8 million in scholarships to nearly 1,300 scholars. Interested in applying for a Spencer Scholarship or for one of our grant programs? Please see our program deadlines for our 2021 grant cycle. We look forward to welcoming you into the Spencer Network. For more information, please visit www.spencered.org.
BI is thrilled to be partnering with Spencer on this scholarship. And now it is our honor to introduce to you our 2020 BI scholarship recipients. Liam Benjamin, an actuarial science major at St. John's University in New York, who will be graduated in 2021, and Felipe Valadares, an actuarial science major at North Central College in Illinois, who will be graduated in December. Let's hear from Liam and Felipe.
Hello, everyone. My name is Liam Benjamin, and I am honored to receive the Business Insurance Scholarship through the Spencer Foundation this year. It was pretty difficult for me to choose a major when I first entered college. I really enjoyed computer science and accounting in high school, but I didn't want to major in any of those subjects. I then came across the actuarial science field and saw it as a mixture of my two interests. It would allow me to develop my technical skills while remaining in a business and financial environment. But I later realized that the insurance industry has a lot more to offer than just that. Insurance plays a major role within our society and affects every other industry that we can possibly think of. This is why I am proud to be within this business, and I haven't looked back since. At the Greenberg School of Risk Management at St. John's University, I have had some tremendous learning experiences. For example, this year I traveled to Dublin, London, and Zurich, where I learned about insurance operations in Europe. I even got to tour Lloyd's of London and shadowed an underwriter there during my visit. This is an experience I will never forget. On the actuarial side, I have passed many actuarial exams and have had 2 actuarial internships. I am now 2 exams away from my associate designation, and I hope to become a fellow of the Society of Actuaries within the next 3 years. But I couldn't do many of these things without the support of organizations such as the Spencer Foundation, as well as Business Insurance. Thank you so much for awarding me this scholarship, and I look forward to paving the way for those who will come after me.
Hello everyone, my name is Felipe Valadares. First off, I just want to say thank you to Business Insurance for awarding me this scholarship. While it's just the end of my college career, it's just the start of my professional career, so this is great motivation, and thank you again for that. For some background on myself, I am a rising senior studying actuarial science at North Central College. North Central is a small liberal arts school in Naperville, Illinois, so it's a western suburb of Chicago. During my time in college, I've been able to pass 3 actuarial exams. So for those that are familiar with the exams, they know that they're not the easiest, so I feel really good having 3 under my belt as I post-graduation here. I also had 2 actuarial internships, both of which were with Travelers Insurance. And there it's been great to apply what I've learned in the classrooms, what I've learned in exams to the real world, and really solidifies the fact that, yeah, this is the profession for me. I really find to enjoy it, and I can see myself doing this for the next however many years. In terms of post-graduation plans, something I'm really passionate about is diversity and inclusion. And I recognize that there's not a lot of people that look like me, and even less so in the actuarial profession. So I want to be a part of the change that I want to see. I recognize that it'll take some changes at a large scale, but also on a smaller scale. And that is why this past year, I created a high school ambassador program at my school. The goal of that just to talk about actuarial science and insurance to high school students, get the word out there, because I feel like that's one of the largest barriers of entry for both insurance and the actuarial profession. Not a lot of people know about it. They think insurance is boring, but I've really found to enjoy it. I've heard people describe insurance as sexy. Wouldn't go that far, but still had a blast during my time here in college. So feels good having this support from Business Insurance. So I just want to thank you again for this award.
Oh yeah. Well, here, I want to tell you guys something, right? I'm having a hot flash. So let me cool off for all this hot fun we're having. I thought I'd bring up something that's very important to the insurance community. Diversity, huh? And bringing in more diverse talent into the industry. Let's move on to our next U.S. Insurance Award. Please welcome presenter Kendra Schropp from Freeman Companies.
Now more than ever, diversity and inclusion is seen by many in the industry as an urgent imperative. This award recognizes a diversity and inclusion initiative by any organization in the commercial insurance and risk management sector. Entries may have included an initiative to foster a more diverse talent pool, or enhance inclusive work environments, drive supplier diversity, improve customer outreach, or any other initiative aimed at promoting diversity efforts in the commercial insurance industry. The finalists for the Diversity and Inclusion Initiative of the Year are AIG, Hub International, the Jenkins Agency, Liberty Mutual Insurance Group, and Selective Insurance Group. And the winner is...
On behalf of Liberty Mutual Insurance, I want to thank Business Insurance for this award. We first developed the Inclusion in Action e-learning videos to help our employees build inclusive communication skills. Our goal in making them available to other companies is to help elevate the conversation around inclusion. It's important to Liberty to both get the content out and contribute to the community. We are donating all proceeds from sales of the e-learning to More Than Words, a local Boston nonprofit that empowers youth who are in the foster care system or homeless to take charge of their lives by taking charge of a business. Many, many people contributed to the success of this e-learning. Thank you all. Our hope is that the Inclusion in Action e-learning video series is a step toward making the insurance industry more inclusive so all insurance professionals can feel a sense of belonging in their workplaces. Thank you.
This award recognizes an underwriting team at a commercial insurer, admitted or non-admitted, or underwriting management company operating across the range of property casualty protections. Finalists in this category provided insurance services and solutions for tough issues facing risk managers today. The finalists for Insurance Underwriting Team of the Year, all property and casualty, are Amwins Special Risk Underwriters, Euclid Transactional LLC, International Re Limited, Liberty Mutual Insurance Company, and ProSite Specialty Insurance Group Incorporated. And the winner is...
Thank you, Business Insurance, for recognizing Liberty Mutual as a leader in this category. I'm David Blessing, Chief Underwriting Officer for the Sharing Economy and New Mobility.
And I'm Nick Grant, Vice President of Product Management, responsible for New Mobility product development.
Together, we're proud to accept this award on behalf of the broader Liberty Mutual team. While this is an award for Underwriting Team of the Year, to us it really goes far beyond that and speaks to our vision for understanding emerging risk and adapting our product, pricing, risk-taking, and partnership lenses to meet customer needs across the mobility landscape.
From ride-hailing to autonomous vehicles and vehicle sharing to auto subscription, the companies engaged in these ventures are finding new ways to leverage technology, optimize underutilized capacity, and refine their operating models to enable efficient, convenient, and safe mobility for both commercial and individual consumer needs. That translates to a need for insurance solutions that solve for multiple stakeholders, new usage structures, and evolving coverage needs.
And that's why we believe our unified approach to underwriting, bringing together our data and enabling easy access to cross-functional expertise across the commercial and personalized mobility spectrum, is both essential and unique and sets Liberty Mutual apart.
Out of all these items, we are most proud of the foundation that makes it all work. Good old-fashioned teamwork, top to bottom organizational alignment, and a healthy dose of grit.
We appreciate this acknowledgement and recognition, and it inspires us to continue forging ahead on our mission to enable smart risk-taking that supports the businesses that are driving the future of mobility. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ah, yes, David and Nick. Thank you so much, David and Nick, both showing us like one has his family in the background and one is single, I think. Yes, I am reading into this, everyone out there in virtual land. Yes, I am looking at your backgrounds and finding out who's single and who's not. So we're going to continue this show. We're going to keep it going. By the way, feel free to watch this award show as many times as you want. You can go back to it. You can pause on my face as many times as you want. That's what this is for, really. So we're going to keep going. Please welcome presenter Joseph Blanco from Crawford and Company.
This next award recognizes a specialty underwriting team at a commercial insurer, admitted or non-admitted, or underwriting management company that focuses on D&O, professional liability, employment liability, or cyber liability lines of business. These specialty lines cover many emerging and challenging risks, and the coverages are evolving to reflect the rapidly changing risk environment. The finalists for Insurance Underwriting Team of the Year, Management Liability, Professional Liability, Cyber Liability are AIG, AmTrust Financial Services and Cover, CNA Financial Corporation, 2 entries, and Coalition. And the winner is?
Greetings from San Francisco and cheers to the 2020 Business Insurance U.S. Insurance Award winners. On the behalf of Coalition, I'm proud and happy to accept the 2020 Insurance Underwriting Team of the Year Award. Maybe a bit ironic because we're one of the few underwriting organizations without any underwriters, but on behalf of the risk engineers and software engineers on our team, we'd like to thank you for recognizing the boundaries we're pushing in cyber risk assessment and underwriting. And of course, with me here is our youngest software engineer and underwriter. And although she refuses to socially distance from me, you can tell she's quite content with the prize. Thank you again from all of us at Coalition. It means a lot.
Oh, am I still here? Yes, I am. Hi, everyone. That was a great Liberty. You know what? They have so many other Liberty Mutual commercials that you guys could have used. Like it, right? Like, isn't there one with the hot guy who can't get his words right? That would have just been nice for me. But Liberty Mutual is doing really good, right? They won 2 awards so far, and I don't know, maybe it's that diversity thing. Just saying. All right, I can already see the front row is going, Marina, keep it moving, keep it moving. Well, I am going to keep it moving because we're having such a great time with you. And I want to thank you for letting me do this, for having me come back. It's an honor to be here. I absolutely know nothing about insurance, so I am the perfect host for you. Did I ever say no? Did I ever tell you a story about my mom who she sold insurance? But I think it's a totally different thing. Again, I know nothing about insurance. My lighting. My lighting just left. You know, lighting is everything, folks. Right? Where's that award? Do you guys have an award for your the best lighting for insurance? Does Liberty Mutual win that one too? All right. Well, I'm going to keep this show moving. Please welcome our next presenter, Rohit Verma from Crawford & Company.
Hello, everybody. My name is Rohit Verma, and I'm the CEO of Crawford & Company. It's a great pleasure for me to announce the award for the InsurTech Initiative of the Year for underwriting and insurance platforms. This award recognizes a team of technology specialists that serve the commercial insurance and risk management sector, including outside technology service providers and in-house technology teams to facilitate the underwriting and placement of risk. The finalists for InsurTech Initiative of the Year Underwriting and Insurance Platform are Bold Penguin, Cover Genius, FM Global and Hyperscience, Stable Group, and Swiss Re Corporate Solutions. And the winner is Hi
everyone. On behalf of Swiss Re Corporate Solutions, I would like to thank the judges for recognizing PopStorm, and thank you to the organizers for taking the event virtual so I can join all the way remotely from Zurich, Switzerland. When we launched the Storm product, the impact of a more accessible parametric solution didn't just help smaller businesses, it helped make entire communities more resilient. Innovation through technology enables us to develop solutions that make insurance more accessible and speed up recovery when it's most needed. I would like to thank, on behalf of the entire team who supported of this product, from ideation to implementation. I am proud of the work that we have done on this.
Hello, this is Cole Mayer with the Swiss Re Innovative Risk Solutions team, one of many in the project team on the PopStorm platform. First of all, I want to thank you very much for the nomination. It's certainly an honor. We at Swiss Re feel very strongly that our core mission is to lower the protection gap, and the PopStorm platform delivering efficiently to small and medium-sized corporations the power of a parametric hurricane product is sort of core to that mission. So we thank you very much for the nomination. Again, it's an honor, and we look forward to continuing to develop unique projects and transactions like the PopStorm platform. Thank you very much.
The second InsurTech Award recognizes a team of technology specialists that provide risk management applications, including analytics and compliance. The finalists include relative newcomers to the industry, as well as established players. The finalists for InsurTech Team of the Year, Analytics, Compliance, Other Risk Management Applications are American Association of Insurance Services, Corvus Insurance Holdings Incorporated, Gallagher Bassett Services Incorporated, KWH Analytics Incorporated, Marsh LLC. And the winner is...
As medicine continues to evolve at an exponential rate, the adjuster's ability to keep pace is limited, putting the client and injured worker at risk. To address this knowledge gap, Gallagher Bassett developed a new revolutionary approach to simplifying the interpretation of medical care called Treatment Quality Index, or TQI.
The primary difference of the Treatment Quality Index over anything we've seen in the industry today is that we're literally trying to identify what percentage of the treatments that the provider has performed on the injured worker meet evidence-based medicine guidelines. We know, based on our study in 2016 with Johns Hopkins, that the higher the compliance with the evidence-based medicine guidelines, the better the outcome on the claim.
So we are moving into a world that's very subtle, that's complex, and the old way of doing business is simply not going to work. We have to find every edge for both, for our clients and for the injured worker, and this is the edge.
TQI is our way of reaching out and getting a hold of that in a way that up until now, I think has largely eluded the industry. It's a much finer instrument than anyone's had available up to this point.
And additional insight to know when they're going off the track without having a doctor look at every single claim. That's not possible. That's not cost effective.
We no longer can rely on price, utilization, and episodic care. We want to take a proactive stance and essentially develop a process to help everybody at all levels in the company understand the quality of care. And that's what we're trying to do.
Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Cogbill, and on behalf of the GB Care clinical team, we're so grateful to be receiving this honor. We're excited with our collaboration with product development to be able to identify the needs of injured workers and give them the best clinical resources. So thank you again.
And I'm Jeffrey White, SVP and Product Manager of Workers' Compensation at Gallagher Bassett. On behalf of an incredibly innovative, dedicated, and diverse team of individuals, I am honored to accept this award. Thank you, Business Insurance Magazine, the GB executive staff, and the product development team for their contributions to this huge success.
Risk has always been a fact of life, and in an instant, it can change the world around us, challenging our society, values, and humanity. In these critical moments, we have always risen to the occasion with expertise, innovation, and diverse points of view. And we'll continue standing by your side, helping you shape your story, even through the toughest of times. Because every great story needs an ally.
What, isn't there an intermission? I don't know about you, but this peach is incredible. This peach should win an award. Wait, are you still filming? Oh my God. I was just having some fun there. Oh, that peach really is fantastic. Sorry. While you guys are all at home drinking alcohol, I'm having a nice peach. I don't want to be arrogant. I mean, I am a vegan, but this is the thing, right? I chose to be a vegan like a year ago, and I'm not great at it, right? Sometimes I get a hankering for pork, and I had a vegan one time tell me, just say you're plant-based because you're not a true vegan. I was like, I can't even do that right. I said I'm a vegan. She's like, no, you're plant-based. Like, she treated me like I misgendered a vegetable, basically. I mean, I can't do anything right these days. There is an age where no matter what you do, you end up saying things wrong. I say things wrong all the time. Like I said antibiotic last week, and I'm not Puerto Rican. I said it wrong. I'm trying, though. I realize I'm older now because I say things that my aunt used to say. My aunt used to always say things like, I don't like a lot of nonsense. Don't bring that in my house. I don't even have a house. Look, I have a studio, but that doesn't sound cool. Don't bring that in my studio. Oh, yes, we're going to keep it going. We're going to keep this party rolling. Please welcome Keith Kenner, publisher of Business Insurance.
Welcome, and thank you for attending the 2020 U.S. Insurance Awards, where Business Insurance has the honor of recognizing this year's best and brightest companies within the commercial insurance industry. While we sincerely miss celebrating in person this year, given the unprecedented times we are experiencing, we have chosen to celebrate virtually and continue the momentum of this wonderful event. I'd like to thank our sponsors. Our Hall of Fame and Lifetime Achievement Award sponsor, Crawford & Company, our gold sponsors, Liberty Mutual, AIG, and Ryan Specialty Group. Thank you for your continued support of the U.S. Insurance Awards. I'd also like to thank our business insurance events team, Katie Kett, Brittany Collins, Beth Wadilla. Without your tireless work on this virtual event would not have been possible. Thank you, BI Events team. Now I get to share a brief history of the Business Insurance Lifetime Achievement Award. The award was established in 2017 to recognize excellence, achievement, and contributions to the industry over the whole of an entire career as opposed to a single contribution. The award recognizes those unique individuals who have had a significant positive impact on a large number of individuals and organizations throughout their career, all while raising the profile of the industry and the importance of commercial insurance products across domestic and global business markets. Past inductees to the Business Insurance Hall of Fame include Patrick Ryan, Maurice Greenberg, and Martin Hughes. All personify the necessary qualities and achievements necessary to be considered and selected for such a prestigious award. Now join me while we watch a tribute video to our 2020 Business Insurance Lifetime Achievement Award winner, Kevin Kelley.
I always thought of Kevin with quite a strategic mind, but always wanting to learn from others and always including others and having lots of great conversations. I first met Kevin when I was invited to go and speak at an event he was hosting in Ireland, and that's when I felt his Irish roots were coming through.
I first started to know Kevin when I joined AIG back in like 2000.
I suppose I met Kevin 25 or 30 years ago.
I've known Kevin Kelley for 33 years, almost my entire career.
Kelley and I worked together for 25 to 30 years. And I was impressed from day one.
I think Kevin Kelley is a perfect choice to get the Lifetime Achievement Award from Business Insurance.
What a wonderful achievement, and I can't think of anybody more deserving than you.
Not only Kevin Kelley has been a tremendous business person, but he's been a great advocate for the community and has made tremendous contributions to society.
Kevin stands out as an innovator in the industry.
I frankly can't think of another individual who's had the major impact on 3 significant companies in this industry.
Kevin was able to bring all of his success from the Lexington Insurance Company to the doorstep of Ironshore and then on to Liberty.
In a lot of ways, Kevin recreated some of what the core principles were within AIG at Ironshore.
Kevin was always focused on customers and people.
Kevin's ability to lead and motivate people is exceptional, and it was really just a great learning opportunity for me. He had a way of articulating and showing the people that worked with him and for him what the vision was and got them to understand and in many ways buy in to whatever that vision is, which makes them want to accomplish that vision.
Kevin's leadership has always been defined by honesty, ethical behavior, and an understanding that giving back was as important as taking.
He seems to endlessly seek ways to help young executives who are continuing to learn the ropes of executive leadership, both probably at Liberty Mutual and certainly here at Cardinal Spellman.
When Kevin became chairman, of course, it's the task of the chairman to set out the objective. And Kevin very early on said, we want to have a school where all students are masters of artificial intelligence, data analytics, and all the modern quantitative tools that enable an underwriter to do his or her job.
Kevin's taught me about the insurance industry and beyond. He's taught me about the value of relationships, and he's taught me about the value of knowing your Red Sox trivia.
The one thing that obviously he got wrong in his life was being a Boston Red Sox fan.
Kevin will be remembered, in my opinion, for his brilliance
for his ability to build, to recruit, to develop, and to provide global solutions for the E&S marketplace.
Kevin's legacy will certainly be, I think, for us here at Cardinal Spellman, the philanthropic partnership that he has forged over the last really 60 years with Cardinal Spellman High School.
As good as he was at business he ran, he's a family man at heart. His family is something that he's always had first.
Kevin, you really deserve this award. You've had such a long career in the insurance sector, and you've been a true leader and an inspiration for people like me.
And I know for a fact your constituents all highly respect you, so great job.
I know you're not leaving the industry, and I'm glad for that, because you are a tremendous insurance industry executive, and the industry still needs you.
And I particularly congratulate you for your contribution to the education of young people coming into this industry.
Thank you, Kevin, for all that you've taught me about the insurance industry and beyond.
And thank you for the many years of partnership, friendship, and counsel.
Kevin, thank you very much for the continued leadership that you show here at Cardinal Spellman.
Thank you for what you have done for the school. Thank you for what you and Mary Ellen personally have contributed to help students of the school. And thanks for being a great guy.
Congratulations, Kevin.
Congratulations, Kevin.
Congratulations, well deserved.
Congratulations, Kevin.
Congratulations, Kevin.
Congratulations, Kevin.
Congratulations.
Job well done. Well, if we're really going to talk about how I know Kevin Kelley, I got to shut the door.
Hello, everybody. It is my distinct pleasure to be able to present the Business Insurance Lifetime Achievement Award to Mr. Kevin Kelley. My only regret is that, Kevin, we can't do this in person, but we're getting used to doing things remotely. We live in a crazy world today, so it is what it is, but it doesn't diminish in any way what a wonderful career you've had and the many wonderful things you've done for our industry. It's been a career full of innovation, achievement, and results. Can't say much more than that. Kevin, good going. Congratulations.
Welcome. I'm talking to you today from the confines of Cardinal Spellman High School in Brockton, Massachusetts, where I'm very fortunate enough to serve as chairman of the board of directors. I want to thank Marty for his very gracious and kind comments, and most importantly, I want to thank Business Insurance for affording me this award and this opportunity. As you can see from the video presentation, I've been very lucky on so many levels. I've had the privilege of great customers, the advantage of very strong distribution partners, and probably most importantly, great colleagues who have not only supported me in my career, but have grown with me in many, many instances. So it really has been fun and a great experience for me. I've had the support of very, very many people who have given me a strong foundation to build my career upon. My parents obviously had a big influence on me, taught me the importance of hard work. They both were involved in running small businesses, and hard work was not an option. It was a necessity for success. I also want to thank my wife of 43 years, Mary Ellen, who was steadfast in her support of my career and provided a phenomenal home for our three daughters, Megan, Maura, and Catherine, a very nurturing home where they have thrived to become very, very accomplished young women. I also want to acknowledge my two son-in-laws, Patrick Travers, who is married to our daughter Maura, and Dan Tobin, who is married to our youngest daughter, Catherine. We are very fortunate to have two great grandsons, Cullen, who is 3, and a new arrival, Liam, who was born in April, both of whom are sons of Patrick and Maura. This indeed is a great business. It's a great business for many reasons. It allowed me to use all my talents to think about strategy, to execute on strategy, to lead people, to provide innovative solutions for so many obvious and in many cases not so obvious needs. And it was great creating opportunity, not just for me, but most importantly for the colleagues who worked with me, so that their families benefited from those great exploits. It also allowed me to be active in charitable endeavors, and so it just really clicked with me, and I can't stress enough the importance that this industry has influenced me personally, and I believe I am very lucky to have found it because I've truly enjoyed it, and my years and tenure has gone by very, very, very quickly. I've had some very positive influences in my business career. I spent many years at AIG and learned an awful lot from Hank Greenberg, who was the CEO. Hank was a brilliant strategist, also had a great nose for numbers and for seeing problems, discovering problems before they became big problems, so they were much easier to solve. I also had the good fortune through my Ironshore experience to work with Bob Clements, who equally was a very strong strategist, but probably most importantly was very creative in how we approach problems and the solutions of those problems. I was very fortunate, and really among the very few that had the opportunity to work with both of those great individuals. I thought it was very important to choose a time to leave the party, so to speak, while I could still find the door. So I announced my retirement last year, and I do believe it was a good time for me to do that. However, the party, as it now continues to go on, is getting a lot more interesting. So who knows what the future may bring. Again, I want to thank Business Insurance for this great award, this great recognition, and I indeed cherish it. So thank you very much, and thank you to all of you for the contributions you have made to my career. Thank you.
Congratulations, Kevin, on being our 2020 Lifetime Achievement Award winner, and welcome to the BI Hall of Fame. Let's kick it back to Marina and the U.S. Insurance Awards.
Well, I didn't know they had a Hall of Fame for insurance. I didn't know that. So is Kevin Kelley like the Michael Jordan of insurance, or does he have his own documentary like The Last Dance too, or like how do you get a lifetime achievement in insurance? You had the most policies? Is that, I know nothing. So don't get mad at me. I'm just asking a question. You can tweet at me later. All right. I'm just, hey, you guys hired me back, right? So, and I'm gonna be honest, I haven't done any research on insurance since last year when I hosted this. I had a woman actually come up to me after the show last year, and she was like, "Oh, Marina, you want me to give you some insurance jokes? I got a lot." I was like, "No." I think I'm doing good. I think I'm fine. I'm fine. Not a lot of comics, branding themselves as the best insurance award comic. Thank you for having me. And we're down to our final 5. And now that I finally got my rhythm going, we're going to say goodbye. But we're down to our final 5 of the U.S. Does anyone ever say the United States Insurance Awards? That's a lot. That's a mouthful. This is it. We're down to the final 5 United States Insurance Awards. And we have saved, yes, the best for last. You don't want to miss the rest of the show. Don't go off to go watch something else. Stay tuned, okay?
This year, Ryan Specialty Group celebrates 10 years of excellence. Having grown and evolved from a small Chicago-based company founded in 2010 to a multinational specialty insurance organization, a decade of bringing value to brokers, agents, and carriers. RSG offers wholesale brokerage services through industry-leading RT Specialty and delegated underwriting expertise in the form of binding authorities, programs, and 22 highly specialized managing general underwriting companies. And this is just the beginning.
I want to remind you how exciting this is. We're announcing the winners live. I mean, we've been sitting on this since March. I've known who is the winner since March. I've been sitting on this since March. Yes, I have all the winners in my pocket since March. But today, we're announcing it live. So I just want to remind you how exciting this is. Get ready for the U.S. Business Insurance Awards. Live. Winners announced right now.
As everyone watching tonight knows, lawyers and legal services play a vital role in the insurance sector, whether it's developing coverages or resolving disputes. This award recognizes a team of legal professionals in the risk management and insurance sector, including outside counsel for policyholder and insurer clients and inside counsel teams. The finalists for Legal Team of the Year are Anderson Kill, Liberty Mutual Insurance Company, Passage, Wally Ryan, Wilson Elster. And the winner is?
Hi, this is Ian Stewart, one of the co-chairs of the Wilson Elster Cybersecurity and Data Privacy Practice Team. We at the team were delighted to have been named a 2020 Business Insurance Team of the Year finalist. And we're that much more delighted, not to mention deeply pleased and proud, to have been selected as the winner of this year's award. For not only has Wilson Elster been being recognized for its accomplishments, we're also getting to play a role in fostering the next generation of insurance leaders. Along those lines, we trust that the Business Insurance Scholarship Program will be strengthened by the proceeds of this competition and will be able to continue its good work providing needed grants and vital programming. For more than a decade, Wilson Elster's team of dedicated partners, assisted by accomplished associates and paralegals, has handled breach preparedness, breach response, data privacy litigation, and other sensitive situations arising from the misuse of computers and related technology. Since 2007, we've seen data privacy and cybersecurity grow from a new line of business to a key pillar of every company's risk management strategy. So on behalf of the entire team, thank you very much to Business Insurance Magazine, and we offer cheers to all of tonight's deserving finalists and winners. Thank you.
The excess and surplus lines market provides vital capacity and expertise to commercial buyers, and some of the key players in the market are wholesale brokers who work with retail partners to advise on coverage and access markets. This award recognizes a team of brokers within a wholesale brokerage organization. The finalists all offered solutions for tough risks. The finalists for Wholesale Brokerage Team of the Year are Brown and Riding Insurance Services Incorporated, Genesee, RT Specialty LLC, Synapse Services LLC, UCPM Incorporated. And the winner is
Wholesale Brokerage Team of the Year. That's awesome. This is really cool. I'm honored. I'd like to accept this award on behalf of the team. We're made up of a group of individuals that have come together and have put the needs of the team before the needs of the individual, and we're doing something special. Thank you to Greg and Courtney and Mark and JC and Joe and Mackenzie and Mary and John. Without each individual's contributions to the team and the drive to be better and the drive to help our customers, we wouldn't have been able to win this award. So thank you to each member of the team. I would also like to thank the retail partners that go ahead and give us the opportunity and trust to help satisfy the needs of their clients. I'd like to thank our carrier partners. Without your trust, we would not have a product to sell, and we would not be able to do this great industry that we do. I'd like to thank the leadership team at Brown & Riding and the marketing team at Brown & Riding. Without your efforts and your leadership and your help with our visibility, we wouldn't be able to do what we're doing today. I would like to thank Business Insurance for keeping us informed and educated about our industry. I would just like to put in a personal note and say, obviously we wish we could be all in the same room together, but that's not practical right now with everything that's going on. So take a minute out of your day, reach out to somebody. It could be a colleague, it could be a customer, it could be a family member, whatever it may be. Reach out to somebody, whether it's a call or a text or the old school way, write a letter or drop a card in the mail and let somebody know that you're thinking about them. I think that in these times, that's very important, and a little something like that can go a long way. So reach out and tell somebody that you're thinking about them and tell somebody that you care. So again, I'm honored that I'm able to accept this award on behalf of the team and really appreciate this, and I'll remember this. Thank you.
Claims is where the rubber meets the road for the commercial insurance sector. Prompt, efficient, and fair claims practices can set organizations apart in the eyes of clients, and the professionals and third-party administrators play a vital role in that process.
The finalists for TPA Team of the Year are Corvell Corporation, Crawford TPA Broadspire, Gallagher Bassett Services, Helmsman Management Services LLC, a unit of Liberty Mutual Insurance Company, Sedgwick Claims Management Services Incorporated. And the winner is...
From all of us at Corvell in Nashville and across the country, we want to express our excitement and gratitude for this prestigious honor and award. Thank you to Business Insurance for all the hard work that goes into this process, and of course, thank you for selecting Corvell for the work and results we have shared with our partner, the state government of Tennessee. Our partnerships have an intense focus on transparency, collaboration, and reimagining solutions for injured workers and impacting our clients' total cost of risk.
It's been a privilege being a part of the Corvell Claims team. I would like to thank the claims managers, the claims adjusters, and the claims assistants for all the hard work and dedication you put into managing claims each day to make sure that our program is a success.
It's been my honor to work with such a wonderful team of people. I'd like to thank Gordon Clemens, Michael Combs, Diane Blaha, and all the rest of the members of our corporate offices in Portland, Oregon, and Irvine, California. And to all the nurse case managers, bill review team members, and pharmacy operations team, I'd like to say thank you for doing such a wonderful job and providing such great support to this team. And to all the rest of the winners of the 2020 Business Insurance Awards, I'd like to say congratulations and cheers.
Cheers.
It's my absolute pleasure to announce the award for Broker Team of the Year, firms with more than $500 million in revenue. This is the second award for retail brokers tonight, and with this category, we recognize some of the largest brokers in the world, often called on to find solutions to complex problems. The finalists in this category all provided innovative solutions for their clients. The finalists for the Broker Team of the Year, firms with more than $500 million in revenue are Alliant Insurance Services, Assured Partners, Beecher Carlson, Marsh, NFP. And the winner is...
Hello, I'm Jason Flanksbeard.
And I'm Jay Sampson.
We're proud to accept this award on behalf of Beecher Carlson. We would first like to thank Business Insurance. We are overwhelmed with gratitude to have been named the Broker Team of the Year. We would secondly like to recognize the following teammates: Andrew Golub, Cody Dahr, Diane Bidek, Scott Horniak, Tom Adamczak, Ali Devins, and Kyung Yoon. It is through your hard work and dedication that we are able to collaborate with our clients to develop innovative risk management and financing strategies. And thank you to our clients who match Beecher Carlson's commitment to challenging the status quo and work alongside our teams to navigate risks and hard markets. We greatly appreciate your partnership.
And finally, thank you to Beecher Carlson CEO Joe Seek, COO Bill Daly, and the entire leadership team for your unwavering support and commitment to our consultative approach. We wouldn't want to work anywhere else. Thank you.
Thank you.
I think this has been a wonderful experience. I think now more than ever, insurance is really important. I've learned a lot here today about, things that I may need, how to be an adult. and I want to thank you all for helping me to get there. I promise you, if I come back next year, I'll learn more about insurance. It'll probably be the week before, but I'll learn more about insurance. And now the moment you've been waiting for, our final award, the Risk Management Team of the Year.
As anyone involved in the risk management profession over the past couple of decades can attest, myself included, risk management has come a long way. Risk managers and their external partners, whether they be brokers or underwriters, technology providers, or others, are being challenged to develop innovative solutions to huge threats facing organizations. Finalists in the category have risen to the challenge and developed solutions that protect their organizations and their employees from a broad range of exposures. The finalists for the Risk Management Team of the Year are Adecco USA Incorporated and Marsh LLC, Bay State Health and Spring Consulting Group, Compass Group, Marsh LLC, and Markel Corporation, Silverstein Properties Incorporated, Cisco Corporation, and Corvell Corporation. And the winner is...
Thank you so much. I'm honored to accept the U.S. Business Insurance Award for Risk Team on behalf of the Adecco Group.
And I'm honored to accept this award on behalf of Marsh Advisory.
We were thrilled to be nominated and extremely grateful to receive this award, especially since there's so many deserving finalists. I'd like to thank the entire Adecco Risk Management team for their individual contributions and their support that they give each other on a daily basis. I'd also like to congratulate Shanna and the Marsh Advisory team for being a strategic safety partner to Adecco. For the Adecco team, thank you to Cindy Golick, to Julia Oriani, to Teresa Gunter, to Laura Carlton, to Ernest Spall, Tamiko Cunningham, and Alan McMillan. And to our leadership team, thank you to Marcello Pizzoni, Zol Chen, and Stephen Rudd for the support that they give us.
And for the Marsh Advisory team, I would like to thank Alan Gilley, Jason Krantz, Andrew Woodard, Camilla Batty, Catherine Herman, Jonathan Olson, Ken Bolger, Daryl Griffiths, Greg Broadway, and Jeff Smigage. And for our leadership team, I would like to thank Gary Pullman, Rich Kennedy, Juanita Alguero, David Blackburn, and Mike Pelosi for all of their support. Cheers to the 2020 Business Insurance U.S. Insurance Award winners.
Cheers to the 2020 Business Insurance U.S. Insurance Award winners.
Cheers.
All right. That's it for this year's U.S. Insurance Awards. Woo! Look for the winner profiles in the November issue of Business Insurance. Thank you for coming, and we hope to see you next year. Woo! I want to get something to eat now. Bye.
Thanks.
You know, this is really good champagne. We really wish you were here to share it. But you're the cause of it. Congratulations to the winners. Salute.
Congratulations, everyone. Cheers.
Cheers. Great job. Congratulations to the winners.
Let's raise our glasses to celebrate all of our outstanding finalists and winners. And a special thanks to all of our panelists, judges, and sponsors too.
Cheers to all winners.
Thank you for coming.
We hope you enjoyed the show.
See you next year.
Cheers.
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 Congratulations and cheers. Salute.
Thanks for watching, everyone, and Business Insurance looks forward to seeing you soon.